Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at NextGen, a service found at https://nextgen.net. NextGen offers a dynamic suite of digital solutions designed to empower businesses and individuals in the ever-evolving online landscape. Their platform boasts a comprehensive range of services, from high-performance web hosting and lightning-fast internet connectivity to cutting-edge cybersecurity measures and innovative cloud solutions. Whether you're a small startup just beginning your online journey or a large established enterprise seeking to optimize your digital presence, NextGen aims to provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. One of the standout features of NextGen appears to be their commitment to providing personalized customer support. They emphasize a proactive approach to assisting their clients, offering tailored solutions to meet specific business needs and technical requirements. This focus on individualized service suggests a dedication to ensuring client satisfaction and fostering long-term relationships. Furthermore, NextGen highlights their robust infrastructure, built upon state-of-the-art technology. They promise reliable performance and uptime, crucial elements for any business operating in the digital realm. This commitment to a stable and dependable infrastructure is a key consideration for those seeking a seamless online experience. While exploring their website, I noted their emphasis on scalability. This means that as your business grows and your online needs evolve, NextGen services are designed to adapt and expand with you. This flexibility can be a significant advantage, eliminating the need to frequently switch providers as your requirements change. Finally, NextGen stresses the importance of security in today's digital landscape. They offer a suite of security solutions aimed at protecting your online assets and safeguarding your sensitive data. This dedication to security is essential in an increasingly interconnected world where cyber threats are a constant concern. In an environment where data breaches and cyber attacks are a growing concern, NextGen's commitment to security offers peace of mind. They appear to provide a comprehensive approach to protecting your digital presence, which is increasingly vital for both businesses and individuals.